So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to buy a product on MQueen Skincare Hub. The process is very simple and straight to the point. So what you need to do is go to mqueenscarehub.com, just as you see on the address bar. So once you are on the site, just select any of the category or click on the product that you would like to buy. So let's say, for example, I want to buy Urban Skin Harvest Glowing Moisturizer. I will just click on this eye icon or just click on the product itself. So once you click on the product itself, it will take you to the product page. You can select the quantity of the product you required. For example, the quantity is set at 1. You can choose to select 2 quantity, 3 quantity, or the desired amount of the quantity you would like to purchase from MQueen Skincare Hub. So for this tutorial, I'll be selecting 1 quantity. So you can click on add to cart in case you want to add more products. So let's click on add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, you receive a notification that it has already been added to cart, which you see on the cart icon that we have already added 1 product. So let's say I want to add more products. So let me go to the MQueen Skincare Hub page again. So let's say I want to add Cogies Sun Skin Lightening Soap 3-in-1. So I'll click on the product and click on add to cart or click on buy now directly. And also you can view under to see the description of the product and also the brand, the target, and also the sizes. So let's say I want to buy this product which costs 5,500 naira. I'll just click on buy now. So once I click on buy now, it will take me to the checkout page. So once I get to the checkout page, you will fill the billing details. So let's say I want to fill my billing details, my first name. So my first name is Said, then my last name is Mohammed. Then I'll choose the state I'm currently in. So I'm currently in Lagos. I'll select Lagos, but in case you are in other states, you can select any other state that you want your item to be delivered to. So I'll click on Lagos. Then I also select the city. So let's say my location is Victoria Island. So I'll select Victoria Island. And also at the right side, you can see the shipping has been calculated already. So in case I choose, let's say for example, I choose like Ikeja, you can see the shipping fee has been updated to 3,000 naira instead of the 1,500 naira. So the shipping fee will be calculated based on the location you set. So let's say let me write Victoria Island. So my shipping fee has been adjusted to 1,500 naira. So I'll put my street address. Make sure you put a valid email address, a valid street address, because of the dispatcher. This is the address that will be given to the dispatcher, so you can get or receive your product. So let me write number 5 Chevron Drive. This is just for a testing purpose. So I'll put my phone number. Please kindly put a verified number and the number that you know that it's always available and you can be reached on. Then click on email address. Put your email address. Then also click on create an account password. So the reason why you need an account password is because once you made an order, an account will be created for you on MQueen Skincare Hub. This account, you can be able to track your order, view all your order histories, and much more, and also change your billing details. So let me put the password. So this page ship to a different address. In case you don't want to ship your product to this address, you can click on this checkbox. Once you click on this checkbox, it will show you more information. So I don't want to ship to any different address. I want to use the address I used earlier. So the product cost is 5,500 naira. The subtotal based on the shipping fee is 1,500 naira. So the total cost is 7,000 naira. So what you just need to do is click on pay now. So once you click on pay now, you'll be directed to Paystack where you'll be able to transfer the money. So once I click on pay now, you can see I've been redirected back to Paystack page. So we have 4 different payment methods. We have the card option, we have the bank option, we have the transfer option, and we have the USSD code option. So once you have your ATM card with you, you can fill in the details here and you'll be automatically charged. So in case you want to use the bank transfer option, which I will be using in this tutorial, so I'll click on bank transfer. Transfer. So once you click on transfer, a bank will be generated for you where you can make the payment. So the bank generated for us is Wema Bank. So I'll make the transfer right now. The transfer. Make sure you transfer the amount written here, which is 7,000 naira. Once you make, you can see it has been already been successful. So Paystack will redirect you back to the website again. That is the M Queen Skincare Up page. Has redirected us back to the website, which is M Queen Skincare Up checkout page. So you can see the following information. That is, thank you, your order has been received. And we were also presented with the order number, the date, the email used, and the total payment we made. And also, if you scroll down, you'll see the order details, which consist of the product, the shipping fee, and also the total amount. Then we also have the billing address where our product will be delivered to. You will also receive an email once this is done with a confirmation that your order has been received. Let us know if you have any issues or concerns. Thank you.